To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here.
Unlock the sensor by pulling the red tab backwards. Pinch the center and pull outwards to remove it.
Disengage the sensor wires from their catch. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the screws.
Reinstall the sensor and lock it into place.
Reinstall the wire harness. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.